Techniki R&D Institute presents a universal deep-water teleguided torpedo, the UGST. The UGST torpedo is intended for the destruction of submarines and surface vessels, as well as stationary targets. The torpedo has tactical technical characteristics of a high level. The torpedo can be launched from submarines in autonomous or teleguided modes and from surface ships in an autonomous mode. The effectiveness of the application of the UGST torpedo in combat is provided by onboard integrated guidance systems, which comprise a hydroacoustic system, a platform-free inertia system, and a system for detonation of the charge of the combat charge section. The UGST torpedo applies the Battle Plotter Expert system, which is used to classify the identified targets, to select the main one, to optimize the schemes of action, and to guide the torpedo to the target in any hydroacoustic conditions and where there is complex signal interference equipment in operation. For the taking of a decision, information that is received from the acoustic systems, the platform-free navigation system, and from the deck of the vessel that is firing the torpedo on the telecontrol channel is used. The torpedo consists of a combat module, the engine propeller module. The combat module comprises a forward section with antenna grids for anti-boat and anti-ship channels, an echo sounder and support apparatus, the instrument section with an onboard integrated guidance system, a combat charge section with an explosive device. The main source of information on targets is the active-passive hydroacoustic station. As antenna grids for the anti-boat and anti-ship channel, flat antenna grids are used. The formation of the diagram for the direction of the antennas is carried out using an electronic method. For the digital processing of the acoustic signals, modern algorithms and a high-powered multiprocessor computer are employed. The establishment of the coordinates of the torpedo in the process of movement is carried out with a platform-free inertia navigation system. The entire apparatus of the onboard integrated guidance system is created on a modern integrated circuit basis. The combat charge section, with its high explosive combat section of a mass of up to 300 kilograms and contact or non-contact detonation systems, provides for a high level of effectiveness in the destruction of targets. The engine propeller module comprises a reservoir section with a launch regulating apparatus and a torpedo teleguidance coil, a power section with an axial piston engine, a tail section with a hydrojet propeller, guidance and stabilization resources, steering machines, and a trailing boat teleguidance coil. For the provision of safety for service personnel and ship carriers, the reservoir section has been created in the form of a double-bodied construction with full ampulization of the fuel and protection from external influences. For combat training, torpedoes in a practical version can be supplied. A practical UGST torpedo possesses positive buoyancy as a result of its not being fully fueled and the combat charge section module being replaced. The torpedo is equipped with acoustic and optical location resources. The package with which the UGST torpedo is supplied includes shore equipment for the preparation of the torpedo for issuing to a ship, for the re-equipping of practical torpedoes, and for intermediate repairs to torpedoes and control testing apparatus, preparation apparatus, and guidance of firing.